Hello guys, welcome to SOP Academy. In this video, we are going to look at off-campus hiring notification from two companies, Zoho and Infosys. So first, let us start with Zoho. Zoho is hiring for the role of software developer. The eligibility criteria is 2020 or 2021 pass out batch. The streams or branches are not mentioned. So mostly BE or BTech will always be eligible. And if you are from any other stream, then you can apply and see what happens. So if you get the link, then that's good for you. So let us look at the hiring process. So what you require is a laptop and good internet connectivity. The first round will be a general aptitude test. Its duration will be 1.5 hours. Then you will move on to the second round, which will be programming round, and its duration is 3 hours. You will get 5 programs and you will have to solve them. You will have to write the logic, write the code and show the output. And you can use C, C++, Java, etc. The tools needed: the online meeting link for candidates to join the video conference. The candidates will be asked to share the screen, so you will have to share the screen and develop the code. The interviewer may ask questions as the code is being developed. So an interviewer will be sitting in front of you. You will have to write the 5 programs and print out the output. The IDEs are Turbo C, Dev C++, etc. Then the third round will be an advanced programming round. So after you clear the first and second round, you will move on to the advanced programming round. Its duration is 3 hours. You will have to write one program which will be very complex, and you need to explain the logic, write code and show the output. After that, you will move on to the fourth round, which will be an interview, technical interview. Its duration is 1.5 hours and it will be an interview using video conferencing, where your technical skills, problem solving and thinking skills will be evaluated by the interviewer. The last and final round will be an HR interview. The duration will be 1.5 hours and it will be on video conferencing. So the shortlisted candidates will be informed via mail and more details will be sent in the call letter. So all the meeting links will be sent using Zoho Meeting, their own conference tool. So this is the registration form. So you have to fill out this form, add your resume and then submit. The second company is Infosys. So a few days ago I posted the off-campus hiring notification from Infosys. So this is the same hiring. So what they have done is they have extended the dates till 29th of July. So all the people who have not applied yet or have missed the dates, then you can apply again. So here is the detail. The role is systems engineer. The eligibility criteria is BE, BTech, ME, MTech in any discipline that is branch, and from MC, MSc, computer science, electronics, mathematics, physics, statistics and information science are eligible. The candidate should be only from 2021 batch and there is no active backlog which is allowed. The CTC will be 3.6 LPA and I will provide the link in the description. You can apply before 29th of July. So that is all for this video. See you soon in the next video.